The story of meiosis and mitosis, dedicated to Mr. Kendra. Introduction. I bet you have seen baby or babies, but do you know how babies are born? It's all thanks to two key players, mitosis and meiosis, which generally involves humans.
Yeah.
Mitosis is making of somatic or body cells, like lung, heart, skin cells, and they also make stomach, cheek, and liver cells. They are identical cells and they don't have genetic variation. Bacteria and one cell organism reproduce. Mitos- in mitosis, sex cells are not produced. It starts with one parent cell with 46 chromosomes and produce two daughter cells with 46 chromosomes. The, the new cells that are produced are identical, no genetic variation occurs. Mitosis is related to asexual reproduction. Organism can reproduce asexually in ways like budding, fission, regeneration, cloning, vegetative propagation, and fragmentation. Mitosis go through the process of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase only once.
Meiosis, meiosis, however, is different. For instead of producing body-size schematic cells, it produces sex cells, like sperm for men and eggs for women. Meiosis and mitosis can both reproduce for bacteria and other single-celled organisms. Meiosis produces sexually, so that means that the daughter cells only have half of the number of chromosomes that the parent cells have, and meiosis produces four daughter cells instead of the meager two that mitosis creates. Humans have haploid number of chromosomes. Male have sperm that contains 23 chromosomes, and the female have egg that contains 23 chromosomes. When both sex cells connect to fertilize after that process, it it will produce zygote mixture of sperm and egg that contains 46 chromosomes. Then congratulations, you have a baby or an embryo. Embryo is the more scientific name. Now that's not it. For meiosis, daughter cells look similar to its parent but doesn't have the same genetics, or in other words, it has genetic variation. As for the picture, it shows every one of us has genetic diversity because we look different from each other and behave different from each other because we are all born from sex cells. Meiosis also has another interesting fact, and instead of going through PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase once, it goes through it twice. For example, instead of just doing PMAT, it does P1M1A1 T1 and P2M2 A2 and T2. So meiosis does have PMAT. And it's a blank page. Happy with our book? Buy it for like $14, even though it's like only 25 pages. And look at our beautiful pictures. It's amazing, 10 out of 10. Yeah, buy our books.